Conspicuity, layman's terms, it's pure visibility. Being able to see and perceive a truck and trailer, especially at night. There are federal standards for these claims. Conspicuity is simply a motorist's ability to perceive, identify, and appreciate a truck's position and speed in the roadway, especially at night. These claims are a lot more common than you might think. A lot of these claims are missed in truck crashes because if there's a night crash, you have to look at the photos of the truck to see if they had proper reflective tape, if the reflective tape was obscured by dirt or mud, and if the motorist had any difficulty in seeing, perceiving the truck while they were driving at night. A NHTSA study a long time ago, almost 20 years ago, found that 30% of the trailers were somewhat dirty, and also that clean tape reduces rear impacts by up to 53%. Dirty tape, only 27%. Conspicuity is important. It's important to driver safety. It's important to look at if you have a crash.